I'd like you to know that God is love. And whatever we do with Him or for Him must be sponsored by love. God responds to love. He gave us love in Christ Jesus. There is nothing else we can give to Him than to pour out love from our hearts to Him. He said, I've loved you with an everlasting love. His love for us is eternal, is everlasting, unfailing. I'd like you to pour out love for Him right now. Lift up your two hands again, and from your heart, just tell Him you love Him. Say, because I love you, you gave Jesus, I give my life. You gave Jesus, I'm giving my all. You gave Jesus, I give my life. Raise your voice. Father, I love you. Cry it out. I love you. Father, I love you. I want you to know that I love you. So I give my heart to you. Everything for you. Yo, 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 yo. My Lord. Come on. Father, I love you. Yeah, 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 yeah. It was the end and I know so for the end. Father, I love you. Father, I love you. From my spirit, Lord, I do love you. So I do you. Everything for you. Yes, I give. One more time, cry it out to Him. Father, I love you. Love you. Jesus, I love you. I love you. So I give all for you. Yes, I give. Raise your voice, let Him hear you. Say, Father, I love you. Say, He's listening for your voice, for your voice. Tell Him, say, Father, because you first loved me, so I give. Father, we offer our hearts to you this morning, this weekend. Forever we are yours. Tell Him one more time. Father, I love you. I want you to know that I do love you, because you first loved me. God is pouring out His love. There's an outpouring of the Father's love. Receive that love right now. Receive the love of the Father. All for you. Yes. Give love. You touching my eyes so I can see. You making me to be like you. You touch my ears so I can hear your voice. You making me to be like you. You touch my mind so I can know you more. You making me to be like you. You touch my heart so I can love you better. You making me to be like you. This is the way you father me. I love the way you father me. This is the way you father me. I love the way. This is the way. Pouring out your presence all over me. I Jesus, I'm yours. I belong to you. 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 Take me all over. I belong to you. There is no me without you. No me without you. There is no me without you. No me without you. You're the passion in my heart. You're the future that I see. You're my man tomorrow. No me without you. Who can do what you're not doing? Who can go where you're not going? Who can say what you're not saying? There is no me without you. I surrender, I surrender, I surrender, Lord, I surrender my life to you, I surrender, I surrender. Lift up your two hands and tell him, say, I surrender, I surrender, I surrender. We separate ourselves to you. Get in and again today. Wave your hands to him and just love him. There's an outpouring of the Father's love in this place tonight. There's an overwhelming release of his love. We receive your love. We receive your love. We receive your love tonight. We receive your love tonight. We receive your love, Jesus. This is my devotion, my life on your altar. This is my commitment, my life on your altar. Thank you for having us all to yourself. You're the one at work in us, both to will and to do of your good pleasure. We love us. We love you because you love us. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for expressing yourself through us and in us. We love you, Jesus. One more time, wave your hands to him and just love him. His presence is here tonight. We love you, Jesus. We love you, Jesus. We love you, Jesus. We love you, Jesus. We bow before your throne. We bow Somebody just honor him. We bow before you. We bow before your throne, dear Lord. We glorify your holy name. We bow before your You are God. Just one more time, call him by his name. You are the Ancient of Days. You are Ancient of Days. No one else like you. Everyone, one more time, raise your voice. He is ageless, he is changeless, ancient, ancient, ancient of days. No one else like you. You are, with all your strength from your heart to him. Cry it out, ancient of days, ancient of days. No one else like you. You are God. One more time, everyone with your voice, call him by his name. Ancient of days. No one else like you. You are God. You are God. Come on, celebrate the God I've won in this place.